right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video we are going to be doing some test hits in the 99. I'm gonna be doing a data log because I just finished the break-in mile, so I can actually go full watt, third, fourth gear, and let her eat, man. I'm gonna be taking this car to the shop within the next couple of days because my O2 sensors are bad, and I definitely need to go ahead and have an operational AFR gauge in here. Well, I don't think the sensors are bad. I think just the sensor for the wideband is bad, so that needs to be replaced. Because I do plan on taking this car to Dallas, and obviously I do want it to be running the best of its ability. It's about 70 degrees outside. I believe the DA is probably anywhere between high 1100, 1200. So we should be hooking no problem. Give you guys a little interior. Pretty much full interior car, minus the back seat back, but I mean, not too big of a deal. Full size 17s. So we are not in a drag pack, just a tire and some lighter wheels. The hood will be on. Just needs to be cut to clear the Vic Jr intake manifold, and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get a little cold start, or not really cold start, but y'all know what I mean. Whew. I am not gonna draggy the car tonight because I've already done some draggy hits in the car, and since the DA is flipped from when I was doing it, come on, baby. There we go. Saying, because the DA is now flipped, the times are going to be obviously pretty different. But whew. Gonna go hit up my spot in Mexico, and I will hit you guys up on the GoPro cam. If you guys enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, all that good stuff. Alright, so we are almost to my little spot in Mexico. A couple cars out here, but let me go ahead and turn my data log on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and record this log. Want to make sure there's nobody. We got a car back there. That person got on the ramp. They did not get on the ramp. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of a hit right here. Again, after going ahead and like driving the Shelby and getting back in here, you guys can see like I have a little bit of hesitation again, because there was like a week of me not driving this car, and then it's like I gotta get used to it again. So that's why that shift was like probably over a second long. Like I could have legit way different than leaving at like 55 in this car. I keep telling y'all, man. I don't want to, you know, make it seem like it's fast. It's quick. You know what I'm saying? Like it will go ahead and run with some GT500s, Hellcats, and Z01s. So it's quick. You know what I'm saying? Whew. I'm gonna do another hit in my usual spot. I didn't even go ahead and data log that. I actually wasn't even like gonna ring it out all the way. I still think I shifted a little bit earlier, but I rang my fourth out, I think all the way. She feels good though. This is full weight too. No brakes. I got the seat in here as well. I mean, I'm gonna take the seat out for Dallas. I mean, I'm not gonna have this in here. So I'm gonna roll down with some E85 drums, and I'm also gonna see if I can get this car on C85 potentially for Dallas. I might just run down there with just the E85, but have like a drum of C85, flash to the C85 tune, and then go out and see what I can do with the C85 setup, or the same setup but on C85. It should pick up, I don't know, a decent amount. I'm not gonna do no mixing with like nitro or anything like that. M5. I know a lot of guys out here, especially Crowdy guys, are doing it, but I'm not gonna do it for this. The most I'll do is C85 just to test. It might not even pick up that much, to be honest with you. If it doesn't pick up like at least half a second, 60 to 130, I'm not gonna, you know, constantly do it.
A few moments later.
I don't know if that was a cop or a civilian car, but he had the turn down tips. All right, whew. Made it back to the gas station. Whew. A little too crowded tonight in Mexico. I'm gonna pick this vlog up a different day, probably in the morning, and then probably again another night. When there's a lot of cars out, I ain't doing no hits, hell nah. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, it is the next day. It's actually cooler right now than it was last night, which is kind of crazy. Bipolar Texas weather, I tell you. We might be able to do a hit if it's open. If not, oh well. Homeboy's car. That actually might be a good run, because I know that car's pretty quick. No joke.
A few moments later.
All right. Just got some groceries. Hopefully we can do a pull on the way back, because I kind of don't want to be hitting up my spot technically 3 nights in a row. Not really trying to do that. Thinking about it. Do like a small hit. I'll tell you that right now. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, especially if you guys enjoy the 2-valve content, as well as the GT50 content, man. Gonna get this car squared away, get the hood on here as soon as I can, because honestly, people just love to waste time. People love to waste time, and I have no idea why. But nonetheless, catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.